Want to make the most of eToro's social features and start copying top traders? Here's how to navigate the social trading feed and copy portfolios easily. Now, open your eToro app or website and log into your account. On the main screen, you gotta tap Discover or go to the news feed to see updates from traders you follow. Scroll through posts, market news, and comments to stay informed and find new trading ideas. To copy your portfolio, head to the Discover section and select Copy Trader or Popular Investors. Browse the list of top traders and tap any profile to see their stats, trading history, and risk score. Now, when you find a trader you like, tap Copy on their profile page. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the copy settings, and confirm your choice. eToro will now automatically mirror that trader's moves in your account, so you can benefit from their expertise without doing all the work yourself. And that's it. You're now ready to explore eToro's social feed and copy portfolios to trade smarter and learn from the best. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more quick guides, and share what you would like to learn next in the comments.